LEGOs are the best-selling construction toys on the planet. Every year, more than 140 billion LEGO pieces are sold worldwide. To create this beloved toy, metric tons of plastic and hundreds of molding machines are needed. But have you ever wondered how LEGOs are made? We visited the LEGO factory to uncover how plastic is transformed into one of the world's most famous toys. The story of LEGO began in 1932 in a small Danish town. Its creator, Ole, was born in 1891. At just 7 years old, he became an apprentice carpenter to help support his family. Ole later became a master carpenter, and by the age of 25, he already started his own shop. He started crafting toys from pieces of wood, a natural inclination for him due to his fondness for children. For 2 years, Ole created toys as a side venture to his carpentry trade. However, as demand grew, he was able to initiate a large-scale toy company. His toy workshop gained attention and became renowned for producing toys of the utmost quality. One day, a wholesaler visited Ole's workshop and was deeply impressed by the wooden toys. This wholesaler placed a significant order to later offer them in his store during the Christmas season. This significant moment marked the beginning of Ole's journey into the world of toy manufacturing. In 1934, he decided to give his company an identity. He contemplated 2 Danish words that meant "play well," and thus emerged the name of the company, LEGO. The choice of the name proved to be a stroke of brilliance. The company began to expand, receiving an increasing number of orders. The profits enabled him to purchase a milling machine, further enhancing the quality of his toys. Ole consistently pursued excellence in his toys, meticulously attending to even the smallest details. By the late 1930s, the company was already experiencing substantial profits. Even during the Second World War, they continued producing toys. However, challenges escalated following the war, particularly in sourcing wood. Yet, Ole and his sons tackled this challenge by venturing into a new material, which was plastic. However, everything changed one night in 1942 when a fire engulfed the workshop, destroying all designs and models. After the factory burned down, the year 1942 marked the transition from wooden toy production to plastic. Ole purchased his first plastic injection molding machine in 1947, a move that proved successful. By the late 1950s, his toy factory had become an international success. In 1949, the introduction of the iconic LEGO brick, as we recognize it today, marked a pivotal moment. This simple yet revolutionary brick laid the foundation for an entirely versatile construction system, brimming with infinite possibilities. The unique design of the LEGO brick empowered children to create larger and more intricate structures. As time moved on, the company flourished into a global toy empire. Nearly 80 years later, LEGO continues to manufacture toys on a massive scale, thanks to its state-of-the-art injection molding machines. The majority of these toys are still crafted in the same small town where LEGO was born. The main factory, still located in Beiland, churns out an astonishing 21 billion LEGO pieces each year. The popular molding factory is divided into 3 main areas: 14 silos where plastic granules arrive, 12 production lines where LEGO pieces are born, and a 37-meter-high warehouse where pieces are sorted before being sent for decoration and packaging. The Beiland factory in Denmark spans over half a kilometer and functions as a precision piece-making machine. The facility consumes up to 70 tons of plastic granules daily, with the 14 silos ensuring a weekly supply. The company consists of a team of over 100 designers. These professionals gather in a white room where they engage with the iconic bricks. This creative interaction creates ideas for new LEGO toys. From this point onward, the journey involves design and construction of prototypes. Sometimes the design process occurs on computers, while at other times, traditional techniques come into play, involving foam or wood prototypes. After certain modifications and adjustments, the new model is ready to enter production. The majority of LEGO pieces begin their journey as tiny plastic granules. It all begins with the arrival of raw materials at the factory. A truck can carry up to 28 tons of plastic granules. These granules are pumped from the truck to the high silos where they are stored. The granules are then fed into the factory through a maze of long pipes. The finished pieces need to withstand the handling by children, so they are made from a highly durable plastic called acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, also known as ABS, the same material used for black plastic pipes, computer mouse, and protective helmets. A network of pipes transports the granules to the 12 molding lines, where machines produce 7,000 Lego pieces in various shapes and colors. The state-of-the-art injection molding machines operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The process begins by blending the raw granules with colorant. The colored granules are then fed into the molding machine. The granules are heated to a temperature between 233 and 210 degrees Celsius. The plastic melts into a texture similar to toothpaste. This paste is then injected into the mold. The molds weigh between 150 and 1,500 kilograms and have a precision of up to 0.002 of a millimeter. The process is so efficient that only 18 defective pieces are produced per million. Within the mold, the material cools in a matter of seconds, producing a freshly molded Lego brick. The 12 molding lines generate 36,000 Lego pieces per minute. When a container is about to fill up, the machine signals that it's time to collect it, automatically replacing it with an empty one. The factory is nearly fully automated. Once a container is full, a robotic cart picks it up and transports it to the storage area. The boxes are shaken to distribute the contents evenly and occupy the least amount of space possible. 4 automated cranes move along 70 kilometers of shelves to organize the nearly 500,000 containers in storage. The containers pass through a reflective system and are placed on a shelf column. This sorting system enables the factory to package almost any Lego product instantly. When a specific Lego element is needed, the box containing it is retrieved. The entire record-keeping and location process is fully automated. However, it's not just a heap of plastic bricks. The Lego universe is home to a diverse array of tiny characters. This machine produces 15,000 heads per hour. A rubber stamp adds faces to the heads, smiles for the good characters and furrowed brows for the villains. These heads are then attached to bodies. The decorating machines are specially designed to keep the small pieces in place while they are being painted. Every minute detail is meticulously applied, similar to stamping a seal on a document over and over again. Once the pieces are designed, the packaging process begins. Counting machines ensure that the elements are placed into small production boxes. Each one is weighed and measured to ensure the correct number in each box. Those items intended for a single bag are lined up at counting machines. Subsequently, the contents of each production box are automatically placed into a plastic bag. The air in the plastic bags prevents the pieces from breaking during transport. At peak performance, the assembly line packs over 50,000 bags per day, leaving no room for errors in the quantity of pieces per bag. All packages go through 6 weight checkpoints. If the weight isn't correct at the final checkpoint, the package is discarded for manual inspection. The bags are then placed into Lego boxes, along with building instructions. The most efficient packaging lines pack over 50,000 boxes every 24 hours. Once all the contents are added, the boxes are sealed and presented. The Lego boxes are packaged for transportation, stacked onto pallets, and are now ready for a long journey. The first stop on this journey is one of the major distribution centers. From here, they are sent to stores all around the world, bringing joy and creativity to children everywhere. If you want to know how Oreo cookies are made, watch the video on your screen, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.